Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G represents a significant breakthrough in affordable 5G technology, offering premium features in a compact package. The device boasts a 5.5-inch QHD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for single-handed operation. The screen's 1080 by 1920 pixel resolution, combined with Gorilla Glass protection and fingerprint sensor, delivers both security and durability. The ability to play 4K videos adds to its impressive display capabilities, ensuring users enjoy a premium viewing experience despite its modest size. Power management is a standout feature of this device. The massive 6000 mAh battery, supported by 45-watt fast charging technology, can fully charge in just 55 minutes. This combination ensures users can enjoy uninterrupted usage throughout the day, making it perfect for heavy users who rely on their phones for extended periods. On the camera system, which features a 108MP AI-powered main camera, complemented by a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 5MP depth sensor. The 16MP front camera ensures high-quality selfies, while features like 4K video recording capability, 10x zoom, and various AI-enhanced photography modes provide users with professional-grade photography options. The device offers flexibility in storage and memory configurations, with 3 variants ranging from 6GB RAM of 128GB storage and 8GB RAM of 512GB storage. The dual-slot system adds versatility, allowing users to choose between dual SIM functionality or expand their storage with a memory card. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.